Welcome back, everyone, to a brand new update from the iconic Camp Nou. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the incredible progress happening across the entire stadium. Let's dive straight into the latest construction updates and see how close we're getting to the new era of FC Barcelona's home. The Diamond Zone continues to evolve with significant progress this week. Workers have lifted the blue safety net that was rolled up for several days, and new steel beams are being positioned across both sides. Formwork panels have now been installed, closing off the future cafe area of the tribune. Reinforcement bars are visible, and the section is nearly ready for its next concrete pour. In the third cantilever zone, major changes are visible. Most of the front formwork panels have been removed following the latest concrete pour. Workers are actively dismantling wooden coverings and preparing the structure for final surface finishes underneath. The new section now reveals its true scale and form, a major step toward completion. The north goal area is showing remarkable progress. Hollow core slabs have reached the upper levels, with safety nets installed across nearly the entire zone. Only a few gaps remain near the stair sections. Multiple teams are working simultaneously on concrete pillars, preparing for the next phase of vertical construction. The corner areas are buzzing with activity. Workers are removing formwork from freshly concreted pillars, while new prefabricated terrace pieces continue arriving daily for the third tier. The lateral sides are expanding fast, showing visible transformation every single day. Behind the diamond, the parking structure continues to progress impressively. Large floor sections have been sealed, while workers are cutting panels and placing reinforcements. Steel beams and rebar are being positioned for the next concrete pour, signaling that this entire zone may soon reach completion. The parking decks now look nearly ready for the final surface leveling phase. Across the lateral zones, all triangular brackets have been fully painted black on every cantilever level. Several lifts are operating to finalize small adjustments, wiring, and detailing work, marking the transition from heavy structure building to refinement and finishing. The installation of prefabricated terraces on the third tier continues at record speed. New seating rows are stacking up daily, dramatically changing the stadium's appearance. This area has become one of the most visually striking parts of the entire project, a clear symbol of how close the upper structure is to completion. At the south goal, teams are working on minor surface corrections and smoothing freshly poured slabs. New beams are being placed around stair areas, and supports are being painted white for a clean finish. Precision detailing here ensures durability and aesthetics for future visitor spaces. In the tribune and store areas, several metal frames for the future glass facade have arrived and are now stacked near the diamond. Workers are reinforcing upper structures with rebar and safety nets while preparing for upcoming concrete pours in the third cantilever zone. The transformation here is steady and well coordinated, setting the stage for future interior work. Across every zone, from the parking decks to the top tier, progress is consistent and impressive. The structure is becoming more defined, the architectural design clearer, and the new Camp Nou is gradually taking its final form. Every day adds a new piece to this monumental project, a true symbol of innovation and passion in football architecture. That wraps up today's detailed look at the Camp Nou construction update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest progress from Barcelona's legendary stadium. Stay tuned for the next update. See you soon with more incredible views from Camp Nou.